What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and to another day trading recap. As you can see today, we barely made it, but to be fair, I am really happy today the way that I have traded, especially in this market environment. Took 4 or 5 trades in overall Facebook, Qualcomm, TDOC, and Tesla. So let's go over this trade and let's see what happened. The first trade this morning was in Facebook. Facebook really, he really tested my patience, and I am happy. I was like waiting for the time to come in. So today, really, what I liked of my trading is that I really took my time before entering the first trade. As a matter of fact, the first trade was at 9:45 actually, and not on Facebook yet. Let's go first. Let's go first the TDOC trade, the entry on the TDOC trade. But before we do so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and this will support my channel in the way ahead. So the entry in TDOC this morning was 29.5. We had the first movement down, then waited for pullback up, and then shorted the 29.5 area, looking really for a dollar for the downside, the 28.5. But as you can see, the stock didn't follow through after took the previous low. So got on the spike here and closed at 30.5, losing the one risk unit essentially. What I also am liking of my trading lately is that putting an hard stop after I enter the trade, it's really helping me with keeping those losses at precise unit. So this helping me overall is helping me on the downside. The second trade was on Facebook. Facebook did enter 20 shares, looking for after the bounce from this 196 area. I really thought that we had done for the down movement for the day. So I longed the 199 area here. 199. Actually, I believe that the real entry and better entry was the 98.5 after the break of this one. There was some good volume coming in on the upside, but really there was no follow through towards my initial profit target in that time, 202. So bit unfortunately, that was the second losing trade of the day. Second losing trade, and to be honest, I was almost calling the day there. I didn't want to, seeing the market today, seeing how it was reacting. I really didn't want to participate much longer. But then Tesla came, and I kind of loved the kind of the setup on Tesla. So the first thing, uh, looked at the this pull down on the Tesla trade, and I loved this 3 bar play setup, looking to short essentially the 832 area and risking the top of this candle. So I just risked the one candle, the 837 Got a good partial here on Tesla. I took the partial instead of 827 at 824, my first partial at almost at first sign of pullback. So really happy with my trade management there. Did move my stop then to the break-even point, looking at what happened here on the rejection of the A21. Moved at break-even point, and essentially I was taken out at break-even. Tried to I did took another trade on Tesla. Essentially, the first trade was based on the 1 minute chart. The second trade was done on the 5 minute chart. I really liked these. I really liked after the bounce of the let's say 827 area, 821 at the low, but I really liked how this the price was trying to break this 835 area essentially. Looking at volume, I did see a nice buy volume coming in, so decided after this green candle, decided to long the A37 and risking the A32 area. Took my first partial at 842 on this second trade, moved the stop loss break even, and I just am just taken out from that. The other trade today was in Qualcomm. Qualcomm, I essentially I looking at 5 minute chart here. I looked to long the 142.50, which essentially it was acting as a support during the pre-market. We broke this support. It was acting as a resistance, but I could see some push through the this area. So um, although there was not really much volume either, anyway, and this probably was a trade that really was I was better off to not do, but I was in and I ride the train essentially. My first partial target was 143.50, which really we touched barely. Was 143.49, the high of this candle. Decided to take something off quite quickly. So really, I took 75% off at 143.09. Moved the stop loss at break even, and I was selling out from this trade, even because I fat finger, and rather than removing 12 shares at 143.40, essentially I added the 12 shares, so I kind of moved the stop loss at break-even point, and I was second out. These were my trade today, and I'm learning that in times like these, really patience is what pays you off, and as well as don't rush on the trades, and as well don't, if you want to sit on cash, just sit on cash. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you are enjoying this content. If you do so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow with another trading recap. Peace.